How's it going, everyone? So I just want to do a short video on my 96 Toyota Celica. I've been sick on and off for the last like few weeks, and even now I'm still kind of sick. But then I ordered some parts for my car, and I'm gonna install them like here in a bit. So I just want to update you guys on that. All right. So with that said, let's go ahead and get it going. I purchased a pair of the hood struts for my 96 Toyota Celica here. I've been looking around. I always want to get one. I always hated that OEM hood rod is always in the way when trying to fix the car, so it's good to get these. They don't have it for the Celica SC204, but they do have it for the SC205. And basically the install is the same. The car, everything is, the length is all the same, so it should fit no problem. Got this off eBay. It came with the hood rod, came with some of the tools, the nuts and bolts, and some little grease here, for you to grease up the ball joints. As you can see here, the OEM hood bolts is actually the silver one, and the black one is actually the OEM bolts for the rear seat. So you'll actually need the longer bolts because it also came with this bracket here, and installing this bracket here with it, this bolt here is too short, so you want to switch it out with these, or you can find some universal bolts that's about this size and same length from like Ace Hardware or Home Depot. Let's go over here. So basically you remove this bolt here, you take that out, and then you also want to remove these two lower bolt down here too, the one that's holding on to the hood here. You want to take those out as well. Make sure you place like a towel underneath here so your hood doesn't like scratch your windshield. Let's go ahead and install that rod real quick here. So this piece here actually goes right here. So when you remove this bolt here, you want to replace it with this, and also can with the washer. Now these two black bolts here, I'm gonna replace this with these two bolts here because these are shorter and these are longer.
To the moon and night. Through the window in my room, there's not much I love to say, and I don't have the strength to fight. I feel that inside like I've been buried in the grave, and you step on my soul and
it's shot pretty good. There's like no misaligned or anything like that. Before I purchased it, there are some reviews saying that after installing the hood rod or the hood struts, the hood hasn't shot completely, or it's misaligned or things like that. But I was kind of skeptical, but then I went ahead and bought it anyway because the price was just too good. Okay, so this is the installation of both of the hood rods or the hood struts or shock. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not making any contact with the fender or things like that. It's pretty easy to install, pretty straightforward, even though they have the direction over there telling you how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. I think, in my personal opinion, I think this looked way better versus the OEM rod sticking out like in the center like that. So yeah, this is pretty good. It's out of the way. It's give you more room to work with. I like this a lot. It makes the car look that much cleaner. Alright, so I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you for watching as always. Have a nice day.